So what I basically do is I did some research in a handmade paper making class that I took from Donna Stillard. I don't know if you know any of the art faculty. I started doing research on the slicing of fruits and vegetables, and what it does is I slice them and kind of blanch them in some hot water that I have some like baking soda or something of a mordant that holds the color, and it also does some kind of chemical thing that I'm still learning about. Anyways, I slice them and then I press them. And I have the presses over here. I got stuff all over the place. I bring them down and I actually boards, but I have boards that I then put the fruit and vegetable in. Okay. And I also put newspaper first, like a layer of newspaper. And then I have all sorts of cloths that I have, different sizes. I have cloths or templates that I can, if I want to shape the fruit or vegetable first when I'm pressing it, or if I just want to make it one sheet. And I put it in here, I layer it on both sides, and then close it up, and then I take it to my press that's over here and put it in the press. I put them in the press. I have much larger boards than this, and this is like a hydraulic press, and Ron actually made these for me. I sketched them out, and he made them. I said, can you make a press that I can like squeeze moisture and water out of things? Sorry. And so that's what he did. And so what happens to this process is 2 or 3 times a day, once I put them in, whether it's kiwis, turnips, or whatever it may be, I have to change them with the newspaper and my cloths, which are all over here. And so then as I change them, this is a smaller press, and I do have something in here. I go ahead and undo the hydraulic press, and then I pull them out and I change them. And I do this process until they get to a dampened state where I can actually pick them up. Because they're layered together and they have a natural cellulose that glues them together, I don't do any gluing on these. These are all naturally stuck together. So I just have like pressed leaves in here right now. I'll measure somebody's head, and I'll use a plaster Paris, and I'll take a mold of their head. And then this is like the inexpensive way of doing it, because heads are really expensive to buy. So then I take the foam that you like spray in cracks in houses, you know, when they have a leak. And so then I actually put the foam in the mold and let it dry, and then I have a flexible piece that I can actually take the dampened vegetables. Let me see, let me use that one over there. The head that's over there. It actually dries. I take pins and I dry it and shape it the way I want it. And then when it's dry, then this comes out, and then I'm able to finish the hat. This hat is like 4 years old, and it's made from kiwi and fabric dyed turnips. The flowers are.